Hi everyone and welcome to Mama J's Kitchen. Today's recipe is tea scones. Some with fruit and some without, but they're all delicious. Let's get started. First, put the flour into a sieve along with the sugar and salt. Now sift into a bowl. It's important not to skip this step, as this helps to make your scones light and airy. Next, rub the butter into the flour mixture until it resembles fine breadcrumbs. Now add the fruit at this stage if making fruit scones. I'm using a mixture of cranberries, sultanas, raisins, and cherries. Next, add the milk a little at a time, adding more as needed to make a soft dough. The dough should be fairly wet, as we will be kneading it on a floured surface. Now turn the dough out onto your floured surface and knead until smooth. It may seem like this isn't going to happen at first, but just keep going and it should start to come together. This process took me about 2 minutes. Now roll into a ball and reflour your surface. Now roll the ball out to approximately ½ an inch thick. And using a 2-inch biscuit cutter, cut out your rolled dough, rolling back into a ball and repeating the process on the trim, and place on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Next, brush a little milk on the top of each scone to help with browning. Now place the scones into a 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, they should look something like this. I find these scones to be best served with butter and jam, and a nice hot cup of tea. In fact, that's where I'm taking this one now, as there's nothing better than a nice cup of tea, a scone, and a chat with a good friend. I do hope you give this recipe a try. You won't be disappointed. I want to thank you all for joining me, and if you want to see more content, don't forget to like and subscribe.